Have you ever heard the word DeFi and thought it sounded like something out of a science fiction movie? Well, today we're breaking it down into plain, simple language. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what DeFi is, how it works, why people are talking about it, and whether it's something you should care about. Let's dive in. DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance. It's a new way of doing everything your bank does, like lending, saving, borrowing, or trading, but without the bank. Instead of relying on a centralized institution, DeFi uses blockchain technology and smart contracts, basically self-executing code that automatically follows rules and handles money. That means no paperwork, no middlemen, and no permission required. If you've got a smartphone and an internet connection, you've got access to DeFi. Let's talk numbers, because this is where things get exciting. In early 2021, DeFi had just crossed the $100 billion mark in total value locked, or TVL. But fast forward to December 2024, and DeFi rebounded massively, climbing back up to $133.88 billion in TVL, following a massive recovery after the 2022 crypto winter. As of May 2025, platforms like Lido, Aave, and Uniswap are still leading the pack. This isn't just a niche corner of crypto anymore. This is the backbone of a new financial ecosystem. Okay, so what can you actually do in DeFi? Tons. You can lend your crypto and earn interest that blows your savings account out of the water. You can borrow crypto without needing a credit check, just put up collateral. You can trade tokens instantly, anytime, anywhere. You can stake assets and earn rewards. And you can even invest in synthetic assets, like crypto versions of stocks or commodities. It's finance that's always on, borderless, and open to anyone. Some of the biggest DeFi platforms are probably names you've heard if you've been around crypto. Uniswap is like a decentralized version of a currency exchange. Aave lets you lend or borrow assets and earn interest. Compound does something similar. Then there's MakerDAO, which lets you generate DAI, a decentralized stablecoin backed by collateral. And Lido Finance lets you stake ETH and still use it while it earns yield. These platforms run on Ethereum and other blockchains using smart contracts to automate everything. But look, DeFi's not a magic money machine. There are real risks. Smart contracts can have bugs, and if those get exploited, funds can be lost, sometimes permanently. Some projects are outright scams or rug pulls. Prices are volatile, and if you're not careful, you can lose a lot. Plus, there's no government protection, no FDIC, no customer service hotline. You're in control, which also means you're responsible. So, start small, use trusted platforms, and never invest what you can't afford to lose. Now here's the bigger picture. DeFi isn't just about making money, it's about access. Over 1.4 billion people worldwide are unbanked or underbanked. They can't get loans. They can't open a savings account, but if they have a phone and internet, they can access DeFi. And with over 420 million people globally now owning some form of crypto, DeFi is offering real financial tools to people who've been left out of the system. Let's recap. DeFi is equal to decentralized finance. It runs on blockchains. It uses smart contracts instead of banks. It lets you lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest whenever and wherever you want. But it also comes with risk, so be smart, stay curious, and never stop learning. If this video helped you understand DeFi, hit that like button. Subscribe for more simplified crypto content, and drop a comment. Would you trust your money to DeFi? Why or why not? I want to hear your take. Thanks for watching. Stick around for our next video, how to use DeFi safely in 2025. And remember, in the world of DeFi, knowledge is money. Stay curious, stay safe, and stay decentralized.